Bipartisan Clarity Act of 2025 unveiled. Will it finally end crypto regulatory chaos between the SEC and the CFTC, US SEC, by establishing unified definitions, registration regimes, and consumer protections? The bill seeks to transform the U.S. into a global leader in digital asset innovation while ending years of legal uncertainty for entrepreneurs, investors, and regulators. Journalist Hassan Shittu. Journalist Hassan Shittu. About author Hassan, a cryptonews.com journalist with 6+ years of experience in Web3 journalism, brings deep knowledge across crypto, Web3 gaming, NFTs, and play-to-earn sectors. His work has appeared in Author Profile, Share, Copied, Last Updated, 57 minutes ago. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Key takeaways. U.S. Representative French Hill has introduced the Digital Asset Market Clarity Act of 2025, backed by bipartisan support. The act proposes comprehensive registration regimes to allow digital asset firms to operate legally within the U.S. market. Lawmakers emphasize the bill's focus on consumer protection, innovation, and institutional clarity for investors and entrepreneurs. A long-awaited effort to bring order to the murky world of U.S. crypto regulation advanced on Thursday as Representative French Hill introduced the Digital Asset Market Clarity Act of 2025, also known as the Clarity Act. The bill arrives with bipartisan support, including 3 Democratic co-sponsors, and seeks to finally resolve the jurisdictional tug-of-war between the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC. The new bipartisan crypto bill seeks to end SEC-CFTC turf war. The 236-page bill is a successor to last year's FIT21 legislation. While stablecoin regulation still leads the race to become the first comprehensive crypto law in the U.S., the Clarity Act represents a major step forward in shaping broader crypto market structure rules. At its core, the bill gives the CFTC exclusive jurisdiction over digital commodity spot markets. These would be governed by new entities registered with the agency. Crypto platforms would have the option to register with either the CFTC or the SEC, depending on whether they handle digital commodities like Bitcoin or securities or both. Our bill brings long overdue clarity to the digital asset ecosystem and prioritizes consumer protection and American innovation, said Representative Hill. It builds off our work in the 118th Congress. The legislation introduces comprehensive registration regimes, allowing crypto firms to legally operate in the U.S. It also lays out disclosure and compliance requirements for developers and intermediaries. These include detailed project disclosures, segregation of customer funds, and conflict of interest mitigation. The Clarity Act will deliver clear rules of the road that entrepreneurs, investors, and consumers deserve, said Representative Richie Torres, one of the bill's backers. Representative Dusty Johnson, who leads the Agriculture Subcommittee on Digital Assets, added, "America should be the global leader in the digital assets marketplace, but we can't do that without establishing a clear regulatory framework." U.S. lawmakers push crypto reform bill clarifying custody, stablecoin, and DeFi oversight. The bill covers long-disputed areas, including the regulation of custodians and decentralized finance, DeFi. It rejects the SEC's prior attempt to require custody firms to hold customer assets on their own balance sheets. Instead, it sets a standard for qualified digital asset custodians, which would be defined by the CFTC based on federal, state, or foreign oversight. Some issues like DeFi and NFTs are deferred. The legislation tasks the SEC, CFTC, and the Treasury Department with studying these sectors and reporting back within a year. The Government Accountability Office is also directed to prepare reports on DeFi and NFTs. The bill explicitly exempts some decentralized wallet providers and DeFi platforms from SEC oversight. It also clarifies that payment stablecoins are not securities, replacing regulatory authority with whichever agency already oversees the firm engaged in the activity. All told, the Clarity Act sets a tight one-year timeline for regulators to write and implement the rules if the bill becomes law. That schedule is viewed by some as ambitious, especially given the complexities of financial regulation. Some provisions in the Dodd-Frank Act, passed in 2010, are still not finalized. Whether the House and Senate will align on crypto regulation is still unclear. The Senate is expected to resume debate next week on its stablecoin bill, which has made procedural progress but faces partisan concerns. Some lawmakers have floated the idea of combining the stablecoin and market structure bills, though such a move could complicate passage. President Donald Trump has pushed for both bills to reach his desk by the August congressional recess, but crypto insiders in Washington view that timeline as unlikely. For now, the Bipartisan Clarity Act gives lawmakers and regulators a new framework to work with and puts renewed pressure on Congress to end the long-standing confusion over crypto regulation in the United States. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar Rich Dad Poor Dad author. Bitcoin is the easiest way to get rich. Even 0.01 BTC could be life-changing. Is XRP about to explode? Ripple's SEC letter could change everything. Why is crypto down today? May 29, 2025. Bitcoin news. Hyperliquid trader James Wynn exits $1.25 billion long Bitcoin bet at a loss. For days ago, by Jai Pratap. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. $16 billion real estate project goes live on XRP Ledger. $500 XRP coming soon? 3 days ago, by Simon Chandler. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. XRP holds $2.31 before Memorial Day volume decline. Will reduced institutional activity spark rally to $2.75? For days ago, by Arslan Butt. Best crypto to buy now in May 2025. Top crypto to invest in. May 6, 2025. By Alan Draper. Best new crypto coins to invest in 2025. Top new cryptocurrencies. May 6, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. 14 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Full presale list. March 3, 2025. By Alan Draper. 11 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in May 2025. April 13, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. May 5, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. What is the next big crypto to explode in 2025? September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.